Have you ever looked at your bank account and felt a little bit worried? Maybe you saw a negative number, or perhaps you heard a friend say their new business is in the red. It can be very confusing to hear color names used for money, but do not worry at all. Today, we are going to learn exactly what in the red means so you can sound more natural in English. Let me tell you a funny story about my friend Tom. Tom is a hard worker, but he is new to English. One morning, his boss walked in and said, "Tom, I have bad news. Our project is in the red." Tom wanted to be helpful. He thought in the red meant the boss wanted a new wall color. When the boss returned, he saw a bright red wall. He almost fell over in surprise. "Tom, no," he cried. For Tom, he learned that in the red has nothing to do with physical paint or colors. In English, when we say someone or a business is in the red, it means they are losing money. It means they are spending much more money than they are actually earning. They are in debt. Why do we use the color red? Long ago, accountants used special pens to keep track of money. Black ink was used for profit. But if they lost money, they wrote the numbers in red ink. So, seeing red on the page was a sign of trouble. This is how the phrase began many years ago. Now, let's see how you can use it correctly. Imagine Sarah. She loves to shop for shoes. Last month, she bought 5 new pairs of expensive shoes. It was a lot of spending. When her bank statement arrived, she said, "Oh no, my account is in the red this month." Here is an example sentence. The company has been in the red for 3 years. This means they are losing money. Example 2, I am in the red after paying for my car repairs. This shows a personal financial loss. How can you remember this? Think of a red traffic light. Red means stop and danger. If your money is red, you must stop spending. Red is the color of financial danger. Fun fact, even in our digital world today, many banking apps still use red for negative numbers. In the stock market, red always means a price is going down. It is a universal sign for loss. Here are some similar phrases you might hear: in debt, overdrawn, or simply losing money. The opposite phrase is in the black. This means you are making a profit and have extra money. Another related term is break even. This is when you earn exactly as much as you spend. Be careful. A common mistake is saying, "I am red." This is incorrect. You must say in. Always remember to say, "I am in the red." The small word in is very important here. Also, do not use this for anger. If you are angry, say, "I am seeing red." That is different. Now, a quick quiz for you. What does in the red mean? Is it A, angry, B, losing money, or C, wearing a red shirt? The correct answer is B, losing money. If you got it right, well done. You are learning fast. To recap, in the red is a very common way to talk about debt or financial loss in English. By using this idiom, you will sound much more natural when talking about work or personal money. Keep practicing, and soon these idioms will feel very easy for you to use every day. Now it is your turn. Have you ever been in the red? Tell us your story in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your journey with the English language. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.